Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. In this video, we are going to see how to speed up our Windows 11 PC in just 5 minutes. Now let's jump into it. So in this video, we are going to optimize and enhance our Windows 11 PC for the gaming performance. And in this video, I'm gonna not using any third-party softwares to speed up my PC. Now let's proceed. And now I'm gonna first of all delete my temporary files in my PC. So now right click on the Windows icon and then click on run and then enter TEMP and click on OK, and this will show my temporary files and all my temporary files, and select all the files by clicking on Ctrl A, and I have selected all the files, and click on Shift plus delete, and it will ask, are you sure you want to permanently delete this 136 items? Click on yes, and some files are working in the background, so we can't delete this. And now let's check on do this for current items and click on continue, and we can delete these three files. Now let's click on check on this button and click skip. So now I have successfully deleted my temp file, and now I'm gonna delete the advanced temp file by proceeding again to the run section and then entering the percentage temp. Sorry, I am missing another percentage, so enter OK. So this is another section of temporary files. I'm going to select all these files and tap on delete. And are you sure you want to move this 175 items to recycle bin? Click on yes, and do this for all items and click on continue. So we can't recover, we can't delete this because it's running in background. So click on check on this and click on skip and skip. So now we have successfully deleted the temporary files, all the temporary files in this PC. Now let's check out to delete the C drive unwanted data and files. Now click enter the Windows search and search for the disk cleanup utility. Now let's click on this, and this will ask you to select the drive, and I'm going to select on C because in the C drive only my Windows is installed, and click on OK, and this will calculate all my unwanted files including downloaded program file, temporary internet files, and thumbnails and temporary files, and recycle bin. And now I'm going to select everything of this, and it's 258 MB, and this provide a greater chance to speed up your PC. Now click on OK, and this will asks to confirm the deletion. Now I'm going to click on delete files. So it's cleaning the files which I selected, and you need to provide administrator permission to delete this folder. So I'm gonna cancel it. Yes, now I have successfully cleaned my C drive. I'm gonna clean my D and E drive too. So now I have successfully cleaned all the unwanted data in my hard drives. Now I'm gonna speed up my PC by disabling startup apps. Now I'm gonna click on my Windows and open my settings, and now I have successfully opened the settings, and now I'm gonna search for start up apps. Now click on it, and if any of your startup app is turned on, you should turn off it first. Click on this and off all the services, and you can find additional startup apps too in the task manager for your Windows, and this is my task manager. I can click on startup, and through this section also I can disable the startup apps and enable too. But disabling is the best idea in order to improve your startup, and you can uh, improve your startup performance for experience the best out of Windows 11. And now I'm gonna stop unwanted services of Windows 11. I can click on services, and these are my services, and you can see the running services and the startup services, and you can disable the services which you don't want, and you can stop it completely from this section and speed up your PC. And that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more video tutorials and performance related ideas. See you in the next one.